In this session, I will be showing you how to manage your orders and reports. Okay, so now let's talk about orders. So in WordPress, with the point of sale system and WooCommerce functionality, we have three different types of orders. One is the web order. When an online order is created, it is called as website order. Second is a POS order, which is a point of sale order which we generate with the billing. A cashier is the person who will generate the point of sale order, and web order is something which will be generated by the customers through their website, and MAN, which is a manual order which we can generate by automatically, manually, like the way we want. For example, we can click on add orders and add the products with the customer details and simply click on add order, so that order will be counted as a manual order which we will be doing manually. This is created with the customer, this is the cashier, and this is the manual that we can create. So how to see what are the products that, and about some mini details. So if you want to see the mini details, you can click on the I button and you can change the status and view mini details. For example, in this order 840, you can see this is the billing address, email ID of the customer, phone number of the customer, payment method, and these are the products that have been purchased. Okay, you can edit also because it's in processing, so admin can edit it. There are different statuses like pending payment, processing, hold, and completed. When an order is completed, we cannot edit the order, and in the time of processing or payment method payment is not provided, we can still edit the order with the admin. So if you want to change the payment pending to completed, you can simply click on the complete and the order will be automatically completed. You can see this is completed. Now we cannot edit this, we can only see the details that were done. So if you want to edit this, simply click on the processing, and now you will be taken to the order page, the customer's orders page, where you can edit or remove it or do anything that you want to do. These are the different statuses that we can change: on hold, completed, cancelled, refunded, or failed. We can add manually products, tax changes, and also we can add notes. And everything, once everything is set up, we can simply click on update and things are automatically updated. For example, if I want to complete it, I just have to click on update and the order will be updated automatically. Thanks. This was for the orders. In the next video, I will be showing you about the reporting, the advanced and basic reporting.